Your everyday detailer.
Okay, YouTube, it's your boy, your everyday detailer, and I'm back with another one, man. And as y'all can see, I got my camera tool with me again. But I want y'all opinion. Today is gonna be kind of like an opinion review and cleaning, if that makes sense. I just want to know what y'all think about Buicks and certain car brands. What's y'all favorite car brand? Comment down below now and let me know what brand should I target and which cars y'all want to see, because we're gonna have a lot of 2025s and 2024s rolling in here soon, and I just want to know what y'all want to see. But without further ado, let me not talk too much. Let me get to this vehicle. I don't have anything crazy for you guys today, man. It's just a Buick Enclave. You know what I'm saying? A Buick Enclave. Let me get the key so I can give you guys the year. Or matter of fact, I'll even look on the sticker here. This is 2023 Buick Enclave. It's gray. Y'all can see it's dirty and things like that. This video is not gonna be too long or nothing like that, just because it's not like a special car or anything. But as y'all can see, man, there's nothing shabby from dirty. Let's go ahead and step in here. It's cold outside today. Turn that heat up on this thing, you guys. But yeah, man, as you can see, fix this. This car has a nice smooth little steering wheel, but it actually has paddle shifters back there, which I don't really understand inside of a Buick SUV. What would I need paddle shifters for if it wasn't fast? Excuse my camera thing. It always falls when it wants to, you guys. Let me hold it down though and show you guys this right here. That's always been pretty dope to me, you guys. These seats and stuff like that are pretty nice. Y'all can see down there we got some more dirty carpets and floors. Oh my lord, you guys, look at all this crap we got back here. So maybe we'll get y'all some good vacuuming content today. But let's get it. Pull this joint in and get to it. So I wanted to get y'all some driving footage in this Buick Enclave 2023. Got the little screen, got my GPS rolling, door panels, everything. You know what I'm saying? I still haven't vacuumed it. Saving that part from when I get back. Had to go make a quick stop and pick up a customer, you guys. Let's get y'all some pickup. Random pickup. Okay. So it was a pretty good pickup, guys. Pretty good pickup. I think so. Yeah. Maybe it has a sport mode button. Probably not. Let's give it one more pickup. Ooh, okay. Quick little 80, you guys. I like it. The speed limit out here in Mexico is never posted, so it'd be like that, you guys. But like I say, I always go to Mexico to film my videos, even though, as you can see around this freaking American Signs, man, they still have Panera Bread and GameStop and all that stuff out here too. But I'll get back to y'all with more cleaning footage when I get back, because again, I'm making this video short. Alright, y'all. Got it all done. Tire shine on the outside. Didn't do nothing crazy to the outside. Put armor all and all that good stuff in the inside. Those back seats that I cleaned and vacuumed up so nicely, you guys. It's a process, but I got it done. Armor roll on those front doors. Tried to throw that out, but it didn't work. I'm not littering either. I'm gonna put it in the trash can. Try to shift. Make sure nothing's in there. And top, put that tire shine on there and put the armor all up there. Drop y'all comments down below. Give me a review on this thing. 2023 Enclave Buick SUV. Is it a mom car, dad car? You hate it, you love it. Honest reviews, honest opinions. And we out. Like, comment, and subscribe.